Hi everyone, good morning from here. Oh my god, see my face, I'm tired. Like this reggae is showing me reggae. Forget the videos you're seeing. I'm literally going through a lot, but we move regardless. If you're hearing any noise, at my papa house and his radio is making noise. Join me to unbox these items my husband bought for me from Ocean Jamin Market on Isha. Yeah. I told him to buy for me because I needed them. I don't have slippers. This is the first one that I chose. I don't know how much he bought it. Yeah, and this is the second one. I chose 2 slippers and he bought 3. The pink one, I love it so much. Yeah, I love it. Like, it is giving what it's supposed to be giving, as you can see. And the third one is also black, just simple black slippers, and I also love it. Yeah, so even though I'm angry unboxing this because the man that married me got me angry and I wasn't happy. Okay, this is the bag that he bought for me. I chose this one, and this bag is giving top notch. The quality is top notch. It's so fine, it's so beautiful. I love the color. He bought this for 35,000 naira. Yeah, as I was saying, my husband got me angry. He handed over this thing to me at night, and I just pushed it one side. So this morning I decided to open them. Yeah, this bag comes with this long strap. Like, I don't have any bag in this color, and I love it so much. Everything about this bag is giving. Yeah, so this is the second bag he got for me. Oh my god, the quality of this bag, I wish you can feel it, because hey, oh my god, this is the most costly. This bag, he bought it for 45,000 naira. It came with this inner wallet or inner purse or whatever. Yeah, I'll show you guys. This is it. This is the inside of the bag. So fine. Please guys, I want to ask people, how do you get Facebook followers? I don't know why I am stuck in one place. Nothing is moving and I'm getting tired of it. If you know how to get followers, you people should tell me, please. So this is the small purse that come with the black bag. This bag, small purse, is so versatile. I can go out with it just like that. Put your money, put your ATM card, your ID card, anything you wish to. Just take it and go. It's so versatile, so simple, so fine. Yeah, this is the highlight of this bag for me. I love it so much. I've even used it to go out that day. Yeah, so this is the pants he got for his children and one random clothes for the coming baby. Yeah, if I've watched up to this point, thank you and God bless you for watching, for tuning in. Follow me, like, share, comments, and God will bless you. I love you all. See you on my next one. Look at what our body can do. Yeah, bye.